Here is a number that will permanently change the way you think about money. 7. That is the average number of income streams a millionaire has. Not 1, not 2. 7 separate streams of income flowing into their financial life simultaneously. And if you are relying on a single paycheck to build your financial future, you are not just working harder than necessary, you are one job loss, one medical crisis, one economic downturn away from having everything you have built collapse overnight. Welcome back to the Wealth Blueprint. Today we are talking about passive income. Not the fantasy version that Instagram shows you, not the overnight success story or the person who made $1 million in their first month of selling courses. The real version. The kind that requires real effort to build and then generates real income consistently, sometimes for decades, with minimal ongoing maintenance. I am going to give you 5 specific streams that everyday people are using right now to move from depending on one paycheck to building a financial structure that can actually survive the unexpected. Before we get into the 5 streams, I need to address something important. There is almost no such thing as completely passive income at the beginning. Every stream on this list requires upfront work, upfront learning, or upfront capital. The word passive describes what it becomes, not what it is during the building phase. If you understand this going in, you will not quit when it feels like work. Because in the beginning, it is always work. The payoff comes later and it compounds. Stream number 1, dividend stocks. When you own shares in a company that distributes a portion of its profits to shareholders, those distributions are called dividends. They land in your account on a regular schedule, monthly, quarterly, or annually, regardless of whether you did anything that day. You are paid for simply owning the asset. The path to meaningful dividend income is straightforward. You build a portfolio of dividend-paying stocks, or, for simplicity and diversification, dividend-focused index funds and exchange-traded funds. As your portfolio grows, your dividend income grows proportionally. A $100,000 portfolio in a fund yielding 3% generates $3,000 per year in passive income. A $500,000 portfolio generates $15,000. The income is not large in the early years, but neither was the investment. The key is consistent contribution over time. Dividend investing rewards patience above almost every other investing strategy. The reinvestment of dividends, automatically purchasing more shares with each dividend payment, creates a compounding effect that accelerates the growth of your portfolio and your income simultaneously. Many of the most financially independent people in the world built their freedom on dividend portfolios that took a decade or more to reach meaningful income levels. The best time to start was 10 years ago. The second best time is today. Stream number 2, real estate, specifically REIT. The traditional dream of owning rental properties is powerful but requires significant capital, active management, and a stomach for the occasional difficult tenant situation. But there is an alternative that gives you the economic benefits of real estate ownership without those complications. Real estate investment trusts, known as REIT. A REIT is a company that owns income-producing real estate apartment complexes, office buildings, shopping centers, warehouses, hospitals, and is legally required to distribute at least 90% of its taxable income to shareholders as dividends. When you buy shares in a REIT, you become a fractional owner of a diversified real estate portfolio. You receive regular income payments. You benefit from property value appreciation, and you can start with as little as the cost of one share. REIT have historically delivered competitive returns and higher dividend yields than most other investment categories. More importantly, they give you real estate exposure without the down payments, the mortgages, the maintenance calls, or the vacancy risk that comes with owning physical properties. For someone building their first passive income streams, REIT are one of the most accessible and powerful tools available. Stream number 3, digital products. We are living in the most favorable moment in history to create something once and sell it thousands of times. An ebook that teaches what you know. A template that solves a specific problem for a specific audience. A digital course that walks someone through a transformation you have already achieved. A collection of presets, spreadsheets, or tools that make someone's life measurably easier. The economics of digital products are extraordinary. You create it once. You host it on a platform. You market it. Every sale after that is nearly pure profit, no inventory, no shipping, no manufacturing cost. A product that sells for $37 and generates 5 sales per day produces over $67,000 per year in revenue. From something you built once in your own time using knowledge you already have. The barrier to entry is not technical skill or industry connections. It is the willingness to identify what you know that others want to learn and package it in a form they can consume. Start with a specific, narrow topic where you have genuine experience or expertise. Solve one problem completely, make it excellent. Then build the distribution. Stream number 4. Content monetization. If you are watching this video, you already understand that people consume enormous amounts of online content every day. What you may not have fully appreciated is how many ordinary people are generating meaningful passive income from content they created months or years ago. YouTube videos continue earning advertising revenue long after their upload date. Blog articles rank in search engines and generate affiliate commissions indefinitely. Podcast episodes get downloaded years after they were recorded. Content monetization is a long game. The income in the first 6 to 12 months is usually small, but well-produced, genuinely useful content tends to compound in its reach and its income over time. A library of 50 high-quality videos or articles has dramatically more earning potential than a single piece of content, not just because there is more to consume, but because each piece creates pathways to the others. The key insight here is that you do not need millions of followers to build meaningful passive income from content. You need a specific audience, genuine value, and multiple monetization paths: advertising, sponsorships, affiliate products, and your own digital products working together from the same platform. Stream number 5. High-yield savings and bond ladders. This is the most boring stream on this list, and also the most important one for people who are in the early stages of building. High-yield savings accounts currently offer interest rates that are dramatically higher than traditional bank savings accounts. Keeping your emergency fund and your medium-term savings in a high-yield account means your money is generating income even while it sits waiting to be deployed. Beyond high-yield savings, bond ladders, a portfolio of bonds with staggered maturity dates, create a predictable, regular income stream from fixed income investments. They are not glamorous. They do not tell good stories at dinner parties, but they generate consistent, reliable income with very low risk, and they form the financial bedrock that allows you to take more calculated risks with the other 4 streams. Here is the strategy I want you to take away from this video. You do not start with all 5. You start with 1. Pick the stream that fits your current situation, your available capital, your available time, your existing skills and knowledge. Build it to a point where it generates at least a few $100s per month consistently. Then add the second stream, then the third. The goal in year 1 is not 5 streams of significant income. The goal is 1 stream that works, one that proves the model, and one that changes your relationship with the idea that your income can only come from your employer. Every financial empire, including the one you are going to build, began with a single decision to create income that did not require trading hours for dollars. That decision is available to you right now. Comment below with which stream you are going to start building first. I read every comment, and I personally want to know what direction you are going. Subscribe to this channel, hit the bell so you never miss a strategy, and I will see you in tomorrow's video.